We all know that Himala explores, 70s and 80s socio-political issues. With this reinterpretation, how do you think the themes discussed in the original film would, resonate with today's audience?
I think yung themes po ng Himala are timeless, and unfortunately, a lot of the issues that were present in the original film are still issues that we have in our society today. Issues of faith and blind faith. Issues of truth and non-truth. Issues of our society and the way we deal with each other. Pero I think nasa pinaka-puso ko lang yung manalas ito. Ang kwento ni Elsa, which is her coming to terms with her faith and the visions that she had seen. And then on another level, yung kwento niya with her mother. And how yung relationship nila evolves because of yung mga Himala. And then ang kwento ni Elsa in relation to the entire community. So napakadami pong layers na yun. I think you watch it as a child, as a parent, as a neighbor, as a friend. Ang dami po pong makakapitan na antik talaga sa puso. And so for me, it's the same, and I hope to share that experience with the audience.